Hello guys, this is Svetlana from Cosplay, and today we are talking about getting in shape for cosplay. So if you follow my videos, you know that sometimes I try to work out for a specific costume or try to get in shape, and so I got plenty of questions from you in the comments, like what I'm doing, what is my workout routine, or what I'm eating in general. So today I wanted to answer all these questions for you. First though, let me make one thing absolutely clear. No, you don't need to get in shape for any costume. Cosplay is for everybody, no matter of gender, age, skin color, or body shape. It's about having fun and not a lookalike contest. The most important thing is that you are happy with yourself and you don't need to change for anybody else. But now, I want to talk about why cosplay has been, for me, always a great motivation to become more fit and strong myself. As you know, I love to cosplay strong, mighty female characters like barbarians or mighty monster hunters or Aloy. I mean, look at her. She's like climbing walls and like mountains like nothing. She's jumping on trees and like shooting against robot dinosaur sphinx. And yeah, I love that. But me, that was me back in school when I was 16 years old. I wasn't even able to climb a tiny mountain or a few stairs without being super exhausted. So back then, I didn't really care much about what I was eating, but I also remember that I was playing Tomb Raider. You know, like one of the old ones with the pointy boobs and stuff. And yeah, I was seeing Lara running around, like fighting the bad guys, jumping like crazy, and this was the very first time when I started thinking about becoming more active as well. Video games can be very inspiring, but as you saw in my last video, my Druid Tier 6 from World of Warcraft was my final motivation to finally start working out and take care of what I'm eating. Doggo, squats, every day. So the main reason why I wanted to make a change is that I just wanted to feel as strong and fit as my characters. Plus, it helped me a lot to wear massive armor and huge gigantic props during the convention the whole day. So between the first and the second picture are actually 16 kilos of weight loss, and I gained plenty of muscles. I mean, I'm still working on it, but yeah, I'm really proud of that. And now, finally, coming back to all the questions from the start, here's what I'm doing. Keep in mind though, I'm not a fitness trainer, I'm not a nutritionist. I'm basically just following some programs I found out they are helpful. I also changed my eating habits and visit my doctor regularly to make sure everything is fine. So first, I'm playing a lot of Pokemon Go. Like, I'm already level 40 and I got a shiny Lapras, and this basically means that I'm just walking everywhere. Instead of taking the car or the bus, I just walk to everything within 1 hour distance to catch as many Pokemon as possible and become the very best. The very best. Ah. Second, I have Zelda and Midna. So even if I'm not in the mood to play Pokemon right now, they need around between 2.5 or 3 hours of walking every day, and this forces me to walk around between 15 or 20 kilometers, and this already helps a lot. So much walking! Number 3, I changed my eating habits. So instead of doing a diet and like starving for a few weeks, I'm actually changed my eating habits permanently. And this means I try to cut out unnecessary sugar and fat more and more over the time. So this basically means instead of drinking soda, I'm drinking more water. Instead of sweets, I'm eating a lot of fruits. And instead of like bread, noodles and rice, I try to replace it more and more with vegetables. I mean, I still eat cake, like Benny's mom is making the best rhubarb cake ever and I love it. I also still eat gummy bears or chocolate, and I also go out and do like all you can eat or whatever. And it's totally fine to enjoy things and to love things, but I just don't do it as much as I did before. So I actually took some photos of what I ate yesterday. So for breakfast, I got some porridge with some fruits. Then after workout, I got a chocolate protein pudding. For lunch, I got some fish. Then my second lunch was more fish. In between, I got some ice cream. And then at the evening, I got some yogurt with more fruit. Oh, and I also got a cake. So the meal plan I follow includes around 120 grams of protein and 1,500 calories per day, but as you can see, that's plenty of food. Number 4, to get really strong and like build up some muscles, I'm also following some fitness programs. So as I said, I'm not a fitness trainer, I basically have no idea what I'm doing. So I'm following the workout routine of some professionals. And this means a program I can really recommend to you is the 30-Day Shred by Jillian Michaels, which takes around 30 minutes. Or what I'm also currently doing is BBR by Rachel Dillon, and this one takes around like 45 minutes. It's quite hard to motivate yourself every day, but it's really worth it. You find the links in the description below. And that's pretty much it. I know this sounds a lot, but if I'm taking away walking dogs and playing Pokemon, it's basically just working out for 30 minutes and like changing my eating habits, and this already helped me a lot. So I really hope this answered all your burning questions, and if you still have any of them left, just write me a comment. And again, you don't need to change yourself for cosplay. Cosplay is for everyone, so just enjoy it and be happy. But if you want to make a change, don't be scared to do it. And since I know that some of you will actually complain if I don't mention my books, here are my books. Buy my books. This one is actually for getting into cosplay, so if you're thinking about trying this amazing hobby out, buy my books. Yay! So I know this video was not really about cosplay, but I still hope it was helpful and maybe inspiring. And yeah, if you want to get notified about any upcoming videos, hit the notification bell, subscribe to our channel, and also please consider to support us on Patreon. So see you soon. Bye bye!